Hey, Chem team. So we learned today in class that when salt is exposed to water, it can dissolve in water because of the attractive forces that exist between the molecules. And so the reason that salt is able to attract to water molecules has to do with its charges. Because chlorine attracts an electron away from sodium so that its valence shell can be stable, chlorine has a negative charge and sodium becomes positively charged. The water molecules, meanwhile, have charges too. Because oxygen has a slightly higher electronegativity than hydrogen does, when these two nonmetals share electrons, oxygen is able to attract these shared electrons slightly closer to itself than hydrogen. And as a result, oxygen becomes partially negative and hydrogen becomes partially positive. But what this means is that the water molecules and the sodium and chlorine ions can attract to each other. We'll watch that happen here. And specifically, the negative oxygen atoms will attract to the positive sodium atom, and the slightly positive hydrogens are able to attract to the negative chlorine ions. And so in this process, the salt particles get split up into separate ions, which become too small to see. And that's it. At this point, you guys have a couple of practice problems. We'll see you in class tomorrow.